Guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to talk about the 5 best bank accounts to open up for 2021. Before we dive in, please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button, and leave a comment with your favorite bank account and why. Alright guys, so let's dive in. The first bank is going to be the only one that's a brick and mortar bank out of the 5 on the list, and that's going to be Capital One. To start out with, all their accounts are free fees. There's no minimums to open any accounts, and at the time of recording, they're offering a 0.4 annual interest rate on all their savings accounts. They also have some of the best credit cards on the market, whether it be for your first credit card, everyday cash back, where they offer 1.5% back on all purchases, or a great travel credit card where you get up to 60,000 bonus points if you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. Lastly, they have one of the best user-friendly apps out on the market at the moment, and they have 20,000 locations nationwide with ATMs. Alright, moving on to the fourth bank on the list is going to be Ally. Ally's been around for a very long time, and they offer a lot of competitive products. Accounts with no fees or minimals to open an account. They currently have a 0.5% interest rate on all their accounts. They also have a cool saving tool called Buckets, which helps you automatically save certain amounts towards predetermined things that you have in place, such as home improvement, vet bills, vacations, buying a car, or whatever you set it to be. They also have a lot of investment tools, such as their own trading platform, where you can self-direct trades, or they can manage a portfolio for you. And they have a bunch of CDs that they offer, but at the time of recording, CDs are paying pretty much the same amount as a savings account, so you're better off just putting that money in a savings account. On to number 3 now. We're going to go to a bank that most of you guys have probably already seen, which is Discover. They have one of the only accounts that I know of at the moment that offers 1% back on a check-ins account up to $3,000 in purchases each month. They also have no fees, period. So no monthly fees on any accounts, no overdraft fees, and no minimal balances on any accounts you open with them. And like previously with Capital One, they also have 60,000 ATMs nationwide all across America. With their online savings account, they offer a 0.5% interest rate. They also have a bunch of different kind of CDs that you guys should look into. And one of the unique features of Discover is they offer a retirement account, which is different from all the other banks on this list we're going to have here today. Lastly, they have one of the best beginner credit cards out on the market with the Discover It secured credit card, which is great if you're just starting out and building your credit. You get 2% cash back on all your purchases and a refundable deposit, which is kind of rare. For the number 2 bank on our list is going to be one that you guys have probably seen online through their massive online marketing strategy, and that would be Chime. Like all the other accounts we talked about today, Chime also has no fees and no minimums to open an account with them. One of their more notable features is the fee-free overdraft protection up to $100 will spot you, whether you overdraft on the charge or ATM withdrawal. Another nice benefit they have is get paid early, where with your direct deposit setup, you can get paid 2 days earlier than you would regularly. And as said before, there's no hidden fees at all, and they have 38,000 fee-free MoneyPass or Visa Plus Alliance ATMs throughout the states. They also offer a very competitive savings account that offers a 0.5% interest on all your money in there with no fees as always. They also have an awesome roundup feature that rounds up all your purchases to the nearest dollar and takes the difference and puts it right into the savings account for you. And to finish off with Chime, they have a very competitive starter credit card for anyone that has no credit or very bad credit. They have no credit checks, no minimum security deposit to require, and there's no annual fees or interest. Basically, this card is secured with your checking account, so that's how it acts as a secured credit card. Again, this is great for someone that has no credit at all or just very bad credit to start with. Alright guys, the moment you all been waiting for, the number 1 bank for 2021 is going to be SoFi. Alright, so here we go. SoFi, the reason they're number 1 on my list here is they really are the platform for finance online. That's all under one roof. They have everything from home mortgages to student loans, personal loans. You can even get a car loan with them. Of course, you have your standard checking account, savings account. They have a great investment platform where you can even buy cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin, Ethereum. Also, what separates SoFi from everyone else on the list here is they have partnered with different companies to offer insurance, from life insurance, auto, home, and renters. So they're really covering everything you might need financially wise all on one app. The app can get a little crowded with advertisements and just because they offer so many products, but really everything is there on one application for you. Thanks for staying all the way to the end. If you guys liked the video, please hit the subscribe button down below, smash the like button, and leave a comment. It really helps the channel out, and see you guys next week.